Dedicated.com is an infrastructure as a service provider. We have currently 6 data centers throughout the US. We'll be expanding into 2 additional, and by the end of 2019, and an additional 5 planned over the course of 2020. We focus on cloud, DDoS mitigation, co-location, specifically towards gaming and financial sectors. When I created Dedicated, I wanted to offer a product that wasn't out there. So I have another gaming company called End of Reality, and essentially we were looking for another provider in the LA area because we'd been with everyone that provided the network performance that we needed to run our infrastructure. I couldn't find it, plain and simple. I looked at it and I'm like, hey, I can just do this myself. So that's essentially how Dedicated was born. We initially started as just being called LA Dedicated because we weren't really expecting it to grow as fast as it did. Then it formed into US Dedicated, and then from US Dedicated down to just Dedicated right now as we look to expand internationally. In terms of growth, we've been seeing triple-digit growth every single year, which is kind of unheard of. Our customers love us because we provide the best of the best, plain and simple. Juniper wasn't initially on our radar at all until I had a little incident with one of the competitors' switches, and I ended up orchestrating an entire replacement of all of our networking gear from Thailand. I was on vacation, and we had to do that in under 8 hours, so it was a very, very tight time frame. But that's kind of how I was introduced to Juniper. I decided when we were moving to Juniper that we were never going to run into that issue again. Thankfully, for the reliability of Juniper products, we haven't had any downtime since, which is absolutely amazing. The thing we most value about our Juniper relationship is the quality of the equipment and that it just works.